Hi everyone, it's Heather with Ideas to Come, and I know it's been a while. Oh my gosh, so much has happened. I took a little break. My granddaughter was being born, and now she's 5 months, but I've been spending a lot of time with her, and I have lots of pictures. I love her so much. There's some other amazing stuff that has happened to me, and I'm going to be so happy to share that with you. But there is going to be some changes going on in my channel. I'm hoping I still have some subscribers since I've been gone, but I am looking at changing things, and as you know, they don't monetize our videos anymore, so we can't the little bit that we were getting from that, we can't even get that anymore. So I am looking into another avenue, and I'm looking forward to sharing that with you soon. I'm working really hard on getting that up and running, and it's taking a lot of time, and I have a short period of time to get it done within, so I want to hurry up and get that going. I just put this here for a vocal point, but so my new grandbaby is here, and we love her, and we're just, if you follow me on Facebook, you've seen all kinds of pictures of her and other things that have been going on, and a miracle. I think it's a miracle that has happened to me. So I wanted to give you a heads up, and please look forward to those videos. They're coming soon, and hopefully you won't be too disappointed, but we'll see, and I will be back just as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.